Today I'm going to share with you the Pure Clinica Body Sculpt Intense Toning Concentrate. This is a cream that you can use on your arms and your legs to help tone your skin. Now, as we get older, sometimes our skin on our arms and our legs starts to sag a little bit. Well, this Intense Toning Concentrate by Pure Clinica helps reduce the sagging in the skin on your arms and your legs. It helps reduce the flappiness of your arms, I guess, so to speak, that we see sometimes as we get older, as our skin starts to sag, or as we don't work out as often as we should. Now, by toning your skin, not only are you going to have your skin look better and have the sag and the flappy and all of that not be there, but also you can lessen the appearance of scarring, of cellulite, and of stretch marks. And that's what the Body Sculpt helps with as well. Not only does it help with the sagging and help with the flappy arm kind of issues, it also does lessen the appearance of scarring, cellulite, and stretch marks. And this takes place obviously per individual. You are going to see different results. I have not used this on my legs. I've only used this on my arm area. I've noticed that, the past couple of years I haven't, been focusing on my arms as much. I've been trying to lose the baby weight and letting my arms go. And so now I'm really focusing a little bit more on my arms. I am using the Body Sculpt cream, and I have seen a difference. Now, I do measure my arms about once every 2 weeks, and over the past couple of months that I've been using the Pure Clinica Body Sculpt, I have noticed probably 1/4 of an inch difference. And that's completely overall over a couple of months. Now, you use this twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. You rub it into your target areas, be it your legs or your arms, to help reduce that sagging. And I don't really have a lot of stretch marks or scarring on my arms, and I don't particularly notice a lot of cellulite on my arms, so I cannot testify to what that does on your arms because I have not noticed it or paid attention if I did have any, but I can tell you that it is helping to tone my skin. And of course, I'm drinking more water, I'm exercising more, I'm trying to eat better, so those are all factors that are helping as well. But I will tell you that the 1/4 of an inch that I have lost, I'm very happy. I am going to continue to use the Body Sculpt because I do feel that it's helping, and obviously the more difference that you see, the more motivated that you're going to be. So that's where I am right now. I see a difference, I'm happy with the results, and I'm motivated, and I'm going to keep using it until the bottle is gone. Now, Pure Clinica is available in the UK. You can go to pureclinica.com and look at all of the Pure Clinica products. You can read more on the Body Sculpt, and you can also purchase the Pure Clinica products on their website.